I use SPLAT as a warm-up strategy to get them engaged with fractions. All right, so this is fraction SPLAT. We're working with fractions, right? It always gets our brains thinking about it. It's a nice warm-up for this module. They are given a certain number of fractions or circles, and they have to guess how many there are. All righty, what's my number? Commit to the number by writing it on your sticky note and be ready to explain why. Then I display the number of however many, and of course they're like, yeah, I knew how many there were. Yeah. And how many of you said 5? All right, are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3,
SPLAT!
Certain numbers are covered up, and then they have to try to figure out how many are under the SPLAT. Okay, everybody commit to something?
Yep.
You ready to discuss?
Yes.
All right, let's do it with your face partner this time. And that, as they have figured out, have lots of different strategies. And they always try now to come up with the most unique strategy, something different than what everybody else is going to come up with. So you had the missing, didn't you? Mm-hmm. Equals
1/2.
So you start, there's a fourth way. What are we doing here? And I love that idea because that's what's going to make them stick out as 5th graders, is not how can you do it like everyone else, but how can you be different and unique and still get the same result. You boys and girls are going to have some of the best explanations, okay, when you're asked to explain your thinking. It is going to happen because you do this. I think the explanation piece is huge when it comes to explaining how they got their answer.
So I think that there are 2 and 5 halves under the SPLAT because originally in the first slide that we saw, there were 2 whole blue dots and there were 6 halves, and so I subtracted the 6 halves minus the 1/2, so I got 5 halves, and I got the 2 blue dots that were in there, so I got 2 and 5 halves.
One of the other benefits is productive struggle. They have to be able to explain, and a lot of them are in panic mode because they aren't quite sure if their answer is right or not.
Or when you subtract, you can only do the big number.
You can add. What, you can? Oh, yeah!
How many of you like SPLAT? How many of you want to do it again?